In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Roland Go keys to PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up this easy-to-use keyboard with your PC or laptop. There are various different ways to connect it to a PC, and in this video, I'm going to showcase what I believe is the most convenient one. This will allow you to record it, use it as an input device, and so on. So if you look at the back of the Roland Go keys, you will find various different connectivity options, including some labeled for computer. So as you can see, USB computer, and on the Roland Go Keys 5, you will also see USB computer available here. So all that you have to do is grab any available cable that you have to connect it to your PC or laptop. So you can use something like USB-A to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C. It doesn't really matter as long as the connection is established between the PC and laptop using the proper cable and the Roland Go keys. There is no secret to this. Connecting it is incredibly simple. So you just establish a connection using the proper cables, and once both of them have been connected together, it will be picked up by any sort of software like OBS. So you go into the mic settings, or in stuff like FL Studio, where you can go into the options, access the settings, and you will be able to find the keyboard. There's no secret to this. If needed, download drivers from the official website, but most of the time they will be acquired automatically. Afterwards, configure your music software depending on what you are using, so your digital audio workstation, go to the MIDI settings, and you will be able to see it. It might appear as USB audio device or Roland Go keys, and you just have to enable it as the proper device that you want to use. You can test it by playing notes on the Go keys, and it is going to be picked up by your PC or laptop. There might be additional ways to connect it like Bluetooth, but I believe this is the most straightforward approach. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Roland Go keys to PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.